my God. That's I don't. Bitch, what are you doing? Oh, this isn't bad. Okay, period. I don't know what you heard about me, but in my life, I'm the PIMP. Working so hard that I don't sleep. Cause it's popping in. I was gonna sweep this patio here. Sturdy. Look at it. It's nice, ain't it? I did that. I worked it out. I worked it out. Ooh, that's a nice stage for sure. What are you doing? I worked it out. I can figure it out. I worked it out. I worked it out. What the fuck did I tell you about to turn it on? You said, now you're gonna stop turning off the screen. And look at you. Turn off the screen. Are you doing this for my betterment to self? I'm gonna try to figure out how to say it. Now, others can state that I said this thing that I said was so important that I'm gonna share it. I have a bat somewhere. Go get your tools. Ready your tools. Ladies, let's garden. Gotta go get the garden hoe. Go get the fucking grass. Go get the grass. Various different types of grass. I have to plant some grass to prevent these fucking trees from growing. Because these trees are ruthless. As long as I'm here, I'm murdering them. I'm pulling them straight out of the ground and I'm throwing them somewhere else. But I'm also giving them a chance to grow further in that direction. But from here, this area, out. Something meaningful. I don't know what the fuck life is about. Why, what the fuck am I doing? You know? Like, I just have these moments in life where I just think, fuck my day. What the fuck am I doing? I wanted to do some shit, then I did it. And I did it. I had a lot of time to do it. The time was in existence when I woke up. Once I realized I could do, I did it. I did it. You think it were like that? Just a little bit of reverberance. A little bit of breather. Good for strong roots. Yes, yes, indeed. You better grow. You better grow. I want you to grow down. I want you to grow down and around and over. I don't know why. Because I'm like, I wanted this for shrubbery. You are not at the stage where you can create seeds of your own, unfortunately. So I can just purchase more seeds. I'm going to transplant here. I want you to be big and thick. big and thick. Big and thick. Big and thick. You understand? Come here. I'm not gonna do what I wanted you to do. What the fuck? Bitch. What the fuck? Bitch. Mitch, what the fuck is this? Mitch. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? It's a little close. There's a fucking, I can see his ass. Can't have no peace. Every day there's other people present. Anyway, every day. I guess it's good to not be able to do everything that you want to do whenever you want to do it at a whim. Gives you the opportunity to like include other people along the way. Do you feel included? You better fucking feel included. The fuck, bitch, because you weren't left out. Where's that? Ah! Wait for me.